Today is Tuesday, August 16th, 2022. I'm Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage-related topics. Today's topic is 5 outdoor all-weather activities to do with a family. Now, once you move to New Jersey, you have to know, where can I go? Where can I hang out? Where can I have date night or whatever? And these are 5 really awesome places for all ages. So I'm going to first start with Turtleback Zoo in West Orange, New Jersey. This is a really fun zoo. The name actually, a little bit of history, the name actually comes from a rock formation close by that when you look at it, it looks like you're standing on the back of a giant tortoise. So that's where Turtleback comes from. And there's a variety of activities offered, from paddle boating, restaurants, mini golf, there's face painting. There's a really fun treetop adventure that includes zip lining, so check that out if you're not afraid of heights. And the zoo offers free parking, which is always fun. They're open every day of the week, only closing for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and the New Year's Day holiday. So check out Turtleback Zoo in West Orange, New Jersey as one of your top places to take the family.